Hey guys, I'm Hannah.
And I'm Tamia.
And you're watching Disney Channel. So I'm still in Cali, obviously. And this is my new sis. I wish I could show you Remy and Zaina because we look like twins and twins, but maybe later.
Just picture us older.
I'm about to dye my hair, y'all. So it's semi-permanent, and I'm just hoping that it doesn't come out too ugly because it's probably gonna last like 2 or 3 weeks, depending on how much I wash my hair. It's not like regular dye where you mix it. It comes pre-mixed. When you dye your hair, you really should do it on like dirty hair. So this is probably like day 5 hair. And the box was talking about some, wow, I look really crazy. The box was talking about some wash your hair before you dye it. Girl, where you get your research from? Where you do that at? But I'm gonna separate my hair into 4s because I feel like that's the easiest way. You know what I'm saying? So a mistake I made in the past was detangling my hair section by section, like after I put the color in, but you should detangle all of it at the same time because you don't want some parts of your hair with a longer time of color than the other. It's all detangled now, and we finna start. To avoid getting color stains on your skin, use that petroleum jelly. I'm nervy. This joint's hella purple. Okay, so I finished. I didn't really get my roots that much because I didn't want that to be purple, or pink, whatever color this is. But I got on my fingers like, ugh, boy. The box says to leave it in for 30 minutes, but I'm gonna do 45 because, you know? So it's about 1 o'clock. I'm gonna come back after I wash it out. And we're gonna see how this turns out. Okay. What's popping, y'all? It's your girl Lavish reporting to you live. So, oh wait, I already did an intro. So this was the final product of my hair. It actually looks really red on camera, but it has like a purplish, a little bit of pink tint to it. But I actually like it. It says it should last about 2 weeks. I didn't even use the second one. Like I used like a little bit for like the rest of the top, but other than that, it only took 1 bottle. Maybe that's why it didn't come out as bright as I thought because, okay, whatever, we're not gonna talk about this, but I like it. Next color we're gonna do is blue. Stay tuned. They shouldn't have created this semi-permanent thing because I'm about to use it to the death of me, you feel me? Thank you guys for watching this video. I know it was quick and simple, but I just had to show y'all how it's gonna come out. Stay tuned for the blue. Allow me to